Hey folks, we start today with big thanks to all the fifth graders at Pittman Elementary in Raymondville today. Take a look at this group. Lots and lots of great looking kids in there. We talked about careers in weather and meteorology and television and journalism, all kinds of things that we do here at Channel 5, and had a great visit with all these fifth graders at Pittman Elementary. So thanks to all of them for their hospitality today and for the great little basket that's pretty much been devoured. It was good though, a lot of good stuff in there. I didn't do it myself. Here's a look at what's going on temperature-wise across the area. Raymondville's at 79, 78 in Port Isabel right now. Westlake goes 80, 83 in McAllen. Overnight lows tonight, not exactly cool, mid-70s across the area. Still mainly cloudy overnight. And then during the daytime tomorrow, a little bit warmer, not a lot. Southeast winds continue, still pushing 90 in the west, 80s every place else. The cool spot's still the beach at 78 degrees for your high temperature tomorrow. The normal high now for this time of year is up to 87, and we're going to be just above that tomorrow. Then the front comes through, and as we talked yesterday, it actually warms up behind the front. Daytime highs are hotter because the air's drier. Nighttime lows, though, will cool off pretty nicely for the end of the week. Cloud cover wise, there has been a lot of it today. There have even been a few sprinkles kind of mixed in with this, and these clouds aren't going anywhere tonight. Future Track keeps the clouds around all night long, even hits maybe another sprinkle or two. I think tomorrow's a dry day. I think we're still looking at a mix of clouds and sunshine, probably heavy on the cloud side of that mix. And then tomorrow evening is when we see our first shot at a shower, perhaps even a thunderstorm as a cool front gets close. Front will push in late night, early morning, and with that, again, the chance for a shower thunderstorm. Once that front goes through, though, drier air builds in, sunshine takes over. It looks like a nice finish to the week. That goes into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and beyond with sunshine and lower humidity. Bigger picture shows kind of the spinning of the clouds sitting back over the southwestern part of the nation. Ahead of it, a southwest flow in the upper atmosphere bringing a lot of moisture to Texas. Some strong storms already firing up in parts of west Texas right along that front as we speak. That front will move eastward, but it's a slow process. So tomorrow it's right in the middle of Texas. Big storms likely back in parts of west Texas. And then tomorrow night as the front gets closer, notice this model. This is the NAM. Shows nothing for us, and that's certainly a possibility. But we think still there's probably enough instability. We'll get at least a passing shower like the front last week, and perhaps a thunderstorm, a slight chance of that, and then we dry out behind it. If we take a look at what's expected, here's what we're talking about in terms of severe weather. And again, remember the 1 is the marginal on a scale of 0 to 5. The 0 would be the non-severe possibility. And then out west, now western Starr County has been added to that slight risk. That means scattered severe storms are possible in that slight risk area. So basically Roma up through Falcon Lake up to Laredo and San Antonio. Marginal risk means isolated, so not scattered, but isolated severe storms are possible. And then for the areas in the eastern part of the valley, non-severe thunderstorms are possible, but non-severe meaning no damaging winds or large hail. So here's what we're looking at. A low risk of damaging winds and a slightly better risk of hail, but still we're not even up into the medium range. So it's just a slight possibility. Fast moving stuff, no significant rainfall, and we don't see a tornado risk. So overnight tomorrow night, about a 30% chance for some storms. Quick look at the travel forecast. A lot of Texas is wet tomorrow, 50s, 60s, 40s, depends on where you are. To start the day, rain across a lot of the state tomorrow afternoon. So your first 1.5 AccuWeather forecast for us tonight, mostly cloudy and breezy, low of 73. Tomorrow up to 88, mostly cloudy with late thunderstorms. We're talking about after dark probably and into the early morning hours of Thursday. By daytime Thursday, less humid, 91. Friday, 91 again. 92 on Saturday, 90 on Sunday. Humidity builds back in and sticks with us in early next week. Notice the nighttime lows do cool off just in time for the weekend. That's your updated first 1.5 AccuWeather forecast.